We all know that flooring is a big deal when doing a renovation, and I'm really excited about installing my brand new Scott McGillivray Collection Advanced Engineered Hardwood. This is the next generation of engineered floors. It is a waterproof, highly durable, but beautiful product. You've got your veneer hardwood on top, which is a true piece of hardwood, which is what everybody wants. In the middle, we've got our stone center. That's an SPC center, which is great because it's waterproof. It's got a bit of flexibility to it, but it's super duper strong. And on the bottom, we've got an antimicrobial cork backing, which adds as an insulator. Using my speed square and a utility knife, I score the front surface, and just like a piece of drywall, I can snap it, then I cut the backing. Super easy to put in. This is a click and lock system, and there we go. Looks beautiful, lasts a long time.